In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a product price in Stripe in just 5 minutes. Whether you're updating your pricing strategy or simply making a quick adjustment, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process effortlessly. To begin, open your web browser and head over to stripe.com. Once the website is loaded, you'll need to sign in to access your account. Look for the sign in button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will direct you to the login page, where you'll enter your email and password. Make sure your login credentials are correct to ensure a smooth sign-in. After you're signed in, you'll land on your Stripe dashboard homepage. From here, navigate to the product catalog section. The product catalog is your central hub for managing all your product offerings within Stripe. This is where you can view and edit the details of each product listed on your account. Scroll through your product catalog and select the product for which you'd like to change the price. Once you've identified and clicked on the specific product, a detailed view will open. Look for the 3 dots icon on the right side of the screen. This icon reveals a drop-down menu with several options related to product settings. From the drop-down menu, click on Edit Price. This will prompt a new window where you can input the updated price for your product. Carefully enter the new price, ensuring that it aligns with your desired pricing structure or updated strategy. Once you've entered the new price, click Next to proceed. Stripe will typically guide you through a series of confirmation steps, ensuring that the new pricing details are accurate and finalized. Finally, to save all changes, click on Update Price. This last step is crucial, as it finalizes all modifications you've made and updates the pricing information across your product catalog within Stripe. In just a few minutes, you've successfully updated the product price on Stripe. Remember that it's always good practice to double check your product details and price updates in the dashboard to confirm everything displays correctly. Keeping your product prices current helps maintain an organized and effective payment processing system, essential for the smooth operation of your business. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to reach out through the support options available on Stripe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more useful tips